Good morning. We're going to discuss this morning how to enter passages and link questions to those passages. You can see I've already created an assessment. I've already entered the directions for the assessment. I'm going to go to Question Bank in order to enter my passages. In order to do that, I'm going to go to New Passage. I'm going to put in my passage name. I'm going to copy and paste from a test I already have up, enter the grade, enter the course. Since this is a Spanish test, I'm going to enter Spanish Language Arts. You can see the question bank is District Bank. If this is for local assessment, be sure to change that to Campus Bank. Also, make sure to change your language to Spanish. From the assessment, I'm going to also enter their directions. These may be duplicated on the assessment. They may be the same directions. Now, I want to copy and paste my passage. I'm not going to do all of it because it is a sample. You may also need to do some formatting if you are copying this. Now, once I've added this, I'm going to say save. You can see that the passage has been saved. Now I'm going to add some new questions to this. Again, I want to go back to my document and I'm going to copy and paste my questions. I'll want to make my selections. It's multiple choice, enter my reporting categories, enter my answers, as well as my SEs, and now I'll put my choices in here. Once I finish this, I'll come and save it, or I'll save and add a new question. When I've finished entering my passages and my questions, I can come back to my assessment and choose Select Questions. I want to enter my parameters such as 4th grade, Spanish Language Arts, click on the search, and now I can search by passage. When I find my passage, I can click on Select. From here, it says this question is associated with a passage. Would you like to view and add other questions related to that? You have the choice of saying yes or no. If you say yes, it will add all the questions that you have entered for that particular passage. You can now review your assessment, make sure the questions are in the appropriate order. You can see the directions have been repeated, and you can keep scrolling through. When you're satisfied, you can close that, and that's how you create a passage with linked questions and the view that the students will see this. Thank you for your time.